Chamge Gotabgaa and we to go meeting no Madam President Janeth Rutor all the way from Dallas, Texas. Ile mianetian, awagarara netian, yagagibwan asegigatke enjom yet agitorochke agele asai inye chevanum asai inye baba asai inye agui asai inye gogongoi batiem enkenyit negagogone Jehovah. Happy month of May where we come together and I say God has been faithful. God has seen us through it all, and as we prepare for the AGM for 2026 in Gotabgaa, Iowa, I want to welcome each and every one of you. I want to welcome all generations. I want to welcome everybody wherever they can hear me. Of one sikia menge mosto oto go tin asogobit king olojin oto go tin asogobit kegero legimi go gi Gotabgaa. As we even have this year is the year of election for executive team. I want to encourage all of us to register to vote. Register at your local chapter. If you don't have a chapter, register at the national office because you and I is Gotabgaa. You and I is who matters. You and I is the reason why Gotabgaa is still standing since 2003 up to now. As I look back for the 4 years that I have done with you guys, I want to appreciate my executive team and the board for giving me the reason to smile this morning or this afternoon or this evening, wherever you are, and say that we have achieved a lot in the last 4 years. There are some key achievements that we have done during my tenure, and I will name them one by one so I can remind you the favor, the grace, the patience that you have had with my executive and my leadership. First is financial stability and accountability. We have streamlined and stabilized organizations' account at Wells Fargo. We have strengthened financial management and transparencies. On this docket, I want to thank none other than Vincent Ngeno, who has been holding us accountable, who has been giving you transparency by providing quarterly reports to your desk, so you will be able to know the status of our accounts. So thank you so much, our treasurer, for the job that you are doing. Second thing that I need to point out that we have achieved together is the expansion of chapters. We have oversaw significant growth in GI chapters, broadening the organization reach and impact. Thank you, Secretary General Maddam for keeping those records, for encouraging those local chapters, for being there when they needed. Anybody who has done anything to broaden this, we say thank you so much. The third thing that we have achieved, and the one that you have seen it at your own, is 3 successful AGM hosted by the national office. On this docket, there is none other than Vincent Sumbai, all the way from KCKC. As the chair of every conference that we have done, Vincent has worked behind the scenes with the vision and the mission that I had for this organization, and we have delivered successful 3. And we are about to have the icing of the cake in Iowa as we do the 2026, which will be our 4th. On the 5th thing that we have done together, or is it the 4th, is enhancing members' engagement. This one is very dear to my heart. We have come to you through Zoom meetings. We have come through our Let's Talk series, where we talked on the issues that is really affecting us. And on this level, I want to say that from here on, I hope that we will continue to talk to each other. I want to appreciate the monthly prayers by our spiritual team. They have gone, they have always been there, they have delivered, they have prayed for our people every month as we start the month or every of the whole year. Thank you so much, spiritual team, for helping me enhance the membership engagement in this forum using the Zoom. Maybe Talk as a national coordinator, he has really worked hard because he's a team player with other marketing directors like Baba Watoto and Isaac Lagat to make sure that you're getting the right information, be it for our Zoom meetings, be it for our AGMs, those short clips, whatever has been done that needs to be put on spotlight. AB Talk and the marketing team has been on it. And I want to appreciate him for really making sure that we are being seen and felt in the social media platform, TikTok and everywhere else with Baba Watoto and Isaac. The 5th one is community support and outreach. We have supported so many Kalenjin members within and outside the organization, especially during the time of needs. At this moment, there is so many that we have lost, but I believe that God's timing is what we as human beings don't know. But kigitige go terrain we got up, with those families, and I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you for offering the support and standing with my leadership, my people in the executive and the board to provide that kigitige go terrain. Next thing that we have done during my tenure is number 6, is to strengthen the sponsorship and the partnership that we have had. We have revitalized the existing partnership and secured new sponsors, ensuring that we have sustained financial and strategic support through the local and international sponsors, through Imarisha, through Magical Kenya. We have seen the hand of the Lord in this docket, because this is where we're strong. We are able to subsidize even the AGM for each and every one of us because of sponsors that we have really strengthened and brought new members to come in. A shout out to a few that have really held my hand during this AGM. Example is Billy Tanui from KCKC. Yusila Koech, LC Koech. She is from KCKC. She has been very supportive behind the scene, always asking, what can I help, Madam President? We have Robert Koske all the way from Arizona. You stepped forth and you have done it. Billy Munai here in Dallas. I can speak about Kirong in DC. Thank you so much for being the supporters of Gotabgaa International. We have increased our participation in NBF. When we took over in 2022, we had 37 members. As we talk, we have 150. That is growth. That is people saying we belong. That is people owning the programs that is in Gotabgaa. These are the programs that were started way back, but we have continued growing on them, and I hope anybody coming in shall continue growing these programs. We have seen membership growth across the chapters. We have achieved notable expansion of members across multiple chapters. Even in your local chapter, look at it and see how many people wants to belong now. It's because what Gotabgaa has done, and I want to say thank you. Next thing we have done, youth engagement initiative. I want to thank those who have volunteered to sponsor these youths. Last year we had our launch for Christmas party for GKA. Thank you, Sumbai, for stepping up, and Mr. Rutor in Dallas for stepping up and really being the sponsors for this GKA Christmas. We had a very successful Christmas party, courtesy of a few people who said, hey, we will hold them hands. And Sumbai, you went above and beyond, and Mr. Jeffrey Luzer, who is my husband, by being there, by providing your finances, we say thank you so much. We have institutional strengthening. We have maintained a highly active national board, implementing policies aligned with the bylaws and advancing governance. I want to say thank you for all that, because in this tenure, we have not found anybody who had time to do bylaw review. But we have done policies that can supplement the loopholes in our bylaws, which will be available before the AGM for our members to be acquainted for. Like the ones that I'm proud of is the handover policy. What do you do in your docket to hand over so we can have a successful handover, among others? So you will see those ones. Economic empowerment leadership. We have demonstrated commitment to economic empowerment as myself as part of GP board member, reinforcing financial growth and sustainability for members. I want to say thank you for all those who have participated. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being part and parcel of this Gotabgaa. Aragi mwana obicho chang tugunchegi muchige ma chang tugunchegi roger my board members doing, and those board members and executive doing amazing job. I want to say thank you, and I want to say continue to belonging to this organization. I want to encourage youths all over the place. I want to encourage young generation. I want to encourage silent generation. This is our Gotabgaa Neburge, Gotabgaa Nenenyon. See you in June. Yemo manda isanga go wek say go berurak cheptale. Go to choge ni remake ni my tum makse. From my desk as the president of Gotabgaa International, I wish you a happy Monday morning, month of May. May the Lord bless you. I hope and pray that I will see you in good health in Gotabgaa, Iowa, as I salute and hand over. God bless you and kongoi, 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 gonyon.